Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to clean up those pesky temporary files in Windows 10. So what we do is we start by going through to the search bar and we type in settings and press enter. Now what we do is we go system and then down here we click on storage. Now in here you have everything to do with your computer's storage. So basically it tells you how big your computer's hard drive is, what's taking up the most space under apps and features. This could be programs that you've installed or anything that is installed on the computer that you don't know about. And it also has temporary files. Now temporary files are from things like installing programs and they didn't get deleted after the installation was done, or it could be that you've downloaded something and it hasn't completed but it's stuck in the temporary folder. Having those temporary files slows down your computer. The bigger the hard drive, the more space you have, but if you fill it up with temporary files, it's going to run really slow. So what we do is we click on temporary files. We wait for the bar to go along because it's scanning for all these files. And then what it does is it gives us a list of options. Now, the ones that are automatically ticked are temporary files, thumbnails, temporary internet files, Microsoft Defender antivirus, so non-critical files for them, and some other non-critical stuff as well. So those are automatically ticked. Now, the automatic ones are the safe ones. They're not going to cause any problems if you press on remove files. They're just going to remove them and they are safe to do that. Now, the two that are not ticked are downloads, and that's your personal download folder. So if you have downloaded anything and it goes into the download folder, please be aware that if you tick on this, you will delete everything from that download folder. Now, if that download folder is really big, I would not suggest deleting them through here. I would actually go through to the downloads folder and go through it and delete what you don't want and then keep what you want, kind of thing. This will basically do a full wipe of the downloads folder. So don't tick on this one from here. But what we want to do is we want to get rid of the temporary files. So they're ticked, the thumbnails are ticked as well, and we'll free up a bit of space with this as well. All we do is it says the total amount of space that we're going to free up is 395 megabytes. And we go remove files. And now we see that the only things left are the two that we hadn't ticked. Everything else has 0 bytes next to it. Always good to do this probably once a month to go in and delete your temporary files, and it will speed up your computer. Cool. I hope that was helpful to delete temporary files in Windows 10.